Hello students, a very good morning and welcome back. Let us solve one of the question of JMN 23rd Jan 2026 Shift 1 का ये क्वेश्चन है and the question is basically binomial theorem का question है and what is the question? The sum of all possible values of n that is belongs to natural number so that the coefficient of x square and x cube in the expansion of 1 plus x square the whole square 1 plus x into what 1 plus x whole to the power n are in arithmetic progression, right? So see how to solve this question here. So what I write here is first हमें क्या given है, हमें expand करना है 1 plus x square the whole square and 1 plus x whole to the power n. Then we will find the coefficient of x and x square and x cube. So when we expand this, so first I will expand 1 plus x whole square the whole square. So इसको expand करता हूँ तो a plus b whole square का identity यहाँ पे लगाना है, apply करना है. So 1 plus क्या हो जाएगा 2ab, so 2x square हो जाएगा and b square, so it will be what x to the power 4. एंड द अदर टर्म इसको एक्सपेंड करते हो तो आप क्या लिखोगे 1 plus nx plus what n minus 1 by factorial 2, that is 2, we can write x square. And then next what we can write n minus 1 n minus 2, right? N minus 2 divided by factorial 3, that is 6 x cube, okay, plus ka so on, right? Now we have to find the coefficient of what? Coefficient of x. So first I will find the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x, so when we multiply 1 to this factor, right, to this factor, so 1 multiply करने पे जो है nx हमें मिलेगा n x का coefficient n. अदर कोई भी टर्म्स मल्टीप्लाई करने पे x का कोफिशिएंट नहीं मिलेगा, सो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x इज ओनली n. एंड देन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर हमें फाइंड करना है. तो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर जो है हाउ वुड वी गेट? सो 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा मैं n इंटू एन माइनस 1 बाई 2 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर. सो यहाँ से एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट हमें क्या मिलेगा? दैट इज n माइनस 1 बाई 2. Also we can get the coefficient of x square when we multiply 2x square to 1, so that is plus 2, okay. And then we have to find the coefficient of x cube. The coefficient of x cube हमें कैसे मिलेगा? Coefficient of x cube के लिए we will multiply this 1 to this factor. So इसमें 1 multiply होगा जब इस टर्म के साथ, right, n minus 1 n minus 2 by 6, that is the coefficient of x cube. So I write here the n minus 1 and n minus 2 divided by 6, right, that is the coefficient of x cube. Also we get the coefficient of x cube when 2x square is multiplied to this factor to nx, right, nx से multiply होगा, so we get here the 2n, that is the coefficient of x cube. X square into x is x cube. Coefficient of x cube in that case is 2n, okay. So we get the coefficient of x square and x cube in the product of this two. Let this coefficient of x be a, हमने इसको a मान लिया, and b मान लिया, इसको c मान लिया. Now question is that कि हमें क्या बोला गया है कि ये जो coefficient है x का, x square का and x cube का, that is in arithmetic progression, that is in AP. So since we can write simply कि a b c जो है, a b c are in AP, ये हमारा क्या है? AP में है, right? When this is in AP, so it means what? Second term minus first term and third term minus second term must be same, that is the common difference basically. So b, take this b to this side, so b plus b to be equal to what? A plus c. Now put the value of b basically that we have assumed here. तो b हमारा क्या है? That is n into n minus, ब्रैकेट में मैं लिखता हूँ n into n minus 1 by 2 plus what? Plus 2, right, plus 2. And a क्या हमारा? a है हमारा n, right? So you can see here a is n and c क्या है? That is n minus 1 n minus 2, right, divided by 6, right, divided by 6 plus 2n, okay, plus 2n. Now we'll simplify this and we'll get the value of n, okay. So मैं इस ब्रैकेट को ओपन करूँ तो ब्रैकेट ओपन करने पे ये क्या होगा? 2 से 2 कैंसिल, so n minus 1 and 2 also multiplied to this 2, so it becomes 4, right, 4 हो गया. Now you can see here कि n और 2n को ऐड कर दो, that becomes 3n and प्लस में क्या होगा? ये n minus 1 and minus 2 divided by 6, okay. Now take this value 3n to this side, so इसको पहले मैं ओपन कर दूं, so n square minus n प्लस का ये क्या हो गया? 4 माइनस का what? 3n and this is equal to what? n minus 1 n minus 2, okay, and whole divided by what? 6. Now you can see ये क्या बन रहा है हमारा? n square minus 4n plus 4. So we can write simply n square minus 4n plus का 4 and right hand side में हमारा क्या है? n minus 1 n minus 2 divided by 6, okay. Now you can see here कि 6 को मैं इधर मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ और n square minus 4n plus 4 को we can write n minus 2 the whole square. okay, equal to what, n minus 1 and n minus 2. Now bring the whole things to the left side की वैल्यू को भी मैं इधर ले लेता हूँ n minus 2 the whole square, right, minus what, ये हो गया n minus 1 and n minus 2, right, equal to what, 0. Now you can see here कि what we can do here is हम इसमें से n minus 2 कॉमन ले लेते हैं, so we are left with यहाँ पे 6 हो गया into what, n minus 2, okay, minus what, n minus 1, okay. Now we have to factorize the second part n minus 2, ये तो n minus 2 हो गया, इसको मैं ओपन करूँ तो 6n minus 12 and this is what, minus n square plus n, okay, equal to what, 0. So you can see here this is n minus 2 minus n square, this is minus n square, and plus 7n minus 12 equal to what, 0. You can take even minus common here, right, so ये हो गया n minus 2 and this is what, n square minus 7n plus 12 इक्वल टू वट 0. इसको फैक्टराइज हम कर सकते हैं, दैट इज वट, माइनस ये है बाहर n माइनस 2 एंड दिस इज वट, इसको फैक्टर करो तो n माइनस 3 एंड n माइनस 4 हो जाएगा, मिडल टर्म स्प्लिट करने पे ये हमारा रिजल्ट हो जाएगा. सो फ्रॉम हियर 3 फैक्टर्स आर देयर, सो n की वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या आ रहा है, 2 3 4, राइट. सो वी गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ n is 3 2 3 4 एंड दिस ऑल 3 वैल्यूज ऑफ n जो है वो क्या है, नेचुरल नंबर, राइट. यहाँ क्या बोला गया है कि n belongs to natural number. Now sum of all possible values of n, sum of all possible values of n, so simple sum अगर हम find करें इन सभी values of n का, so that is 2 plus 3 plus 4, right. So 6 plus, यहाँ पे देखें तो 3 plus ये हो गया हमारा कितना, 7 plus 2 9, right. So 9 is the answer, right. If you see the option, so which option is the correct option, D option is the correct option. Hope you are clear with the solution. I will come with the next set of question and the solution. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.